Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining my today's session about live trading. Uh, Holidays are here and things are just settling down. The market is very calm nowadays. We will perform the live trade again. Today I am just going to perform the live trade on the exchange on which I am using my account. Moreover, yes. Previously I was just using the demo accounts. So today I'm just going to perform the live trade on my live account. So you guys will have a better understanding like how to perform through the platform, what platform I'm using right now. And moreover, let's see. Let's start doing. Let me set up. Okay, so yes, we have. We will initially we will talk about some crypto news. Before we start today's session, I always prefer to mention that crypto is a very volatile market. Trading crypto is very dangerous, very risky. Do your own research. My sessions, I come online every day uh, just to educate you guys how to where to click, where to buy the coin, where to sell the coin, just to educate them, just to educate all of you. It's there's I'm not a financial advisor, moreover, I'm not a financial expert as well, I must say. So just try to be safe, invest. If you want to invest for real money, just invest the money you can afford to lose. It's a very high volatile market, and before you do that, just try to do with your demo account. So all of the big exchanges just offer the demo account. So just do the demo account, and then you can just yeah, you can perform the live. You can perform your real account as well. So I'm again I would definitely love to mention that I'm not a financial expert, not a financial advisor. Uh, Today's session is just about for fun and information. So do your own research if you do the trade. It's totally depends upon you. So moreover, let's talk about something. So the Christmas season is here. So today is the Christmas day, and the holidays are here, and the market is just settling down. So I am just going to. Okay, so let me tell you guys about today's news, what's going on in the market. So for now, I must say the BTC is just stuck at some point, like 87,000 to 90,000 in between that, just moving around that price range. It's just because there is no much volume in the market, and yeah, there was a 23 billion options expiry it was a big news for the day, and let's see where it will lead us to go. Mm, Let me set up the screen so I can have a better view for you guys to understand what's going on. So, okay, I'm setting up the other screen. Uh, Let me move this one here. So yesterday people were just telling me that we are just commenting you, but you are not responding. Sorry, I just missed because I was online from my phone, so I just missed that. So I'm so sorry for that. I missed few of them, few of the questions. Um, okay. Okay, so I think we are something is not right at. Sorry guys, just stay with me and let me set up 525. Uh, let me see. What is going on here? Something is wrong with, I don't know, I'm using a good system, but it's just getting stuck. Okay, just stay with me, guys. Mm, Okay, so for now, Travis. Yes, I am live on TikTok as well. Okay, so yes, more things here to discuss. Thank you so much for joining today's session. It's a great honor for me to be with you guys, and I would love to respond today. I just missed few of the comments yesterday, so the people were just not feeling good about it. So yeah, it should not be. Okay, okay, let it stay here and move my trading. I hope you guys can see it in a better way now. Okay, so this is the exchange I'm using for the live trades. I perform the trading on that platform. So yeah, it's a very friendly, very good in interface and very user friendly, very easy to understand. So yes, I have just logged onto my system. So I'm just going to perform the trade on my live account. So previously I was just using that, I was using my, what just happened? Okay. I was using demo account, so demo account would just give you a better, I must say. So that's the way you can just protect yourself. For learning purpose, yes, it's good for you to learn the trading. You should just start doing with your demo accounts always. I strongly recommend that. And while using your demo accounts, it's just add as much as money you want in your demo account. That's the demo money. You don't need to add on the real time, but that's the way you can learn how to perform, how to control your emotions, how to perform your trade, but just consider it like it's your own money. So when you will feel like it's your own money, yeah, that's the way you can just start doing trading with that. And of course, someone will sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. As yesterday was not a good day for us, we have lost like few dollars, but it's not much. And we had to close the trade on negative. I just performed the live trade on the negative. I just closed my trade on the negative yesterday. So yeah, it happens. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and it's just a part of it. Moreover, yes, thank you so much for joining today's session. There's a link in description in the bio. You can just click on that and just join my community. So that's the way we can just interact with each other, and we can see, we will perform few trades, we will see what's going on in the market. So where is the interface? Let me check. So we are performing the futures trading. So yes, futures is very risky. It's a very volatile market. So here we are. Okay. So BTC is just moving in between 85,000 to 90,000. So let's talk about some BTC. Okay, so BTC is not in the good position. BTC, actually, I must say it's in the good position. The BTC is just hovering around 85,000 to 90,000 from last few days. So it's like um okay, so BTC range bound is on the upper side is 95,000. So it can, if it goes above 90,000, the next resistance will be at 95,000, and if it falls down to 85 from 85,000, so next support in the longer expect is 77,000, somewhere around there. So yes, it's happening. And what's the fear factor, fear index today? It's 20, which is like less than which is more than yesterday was 23. So less fear index, it means there is more fear in the market. So it's on the extreme side. People are just because it's the holiday season and the people are taking money out of it. So today's the market cap is like 3.07 trillion dollars. So it's a good market cap. Yeah, it's better than the yesterday. So yesterday was 2.97, something like that. So yeah. And okay. So what's about so yeah, so current price of Bitcoin is 89,000, 88,700, somewhere around there, and Ethereum is hovering around 2,965, 2,965, 296, 29, in between that. So it's just in the range. It's still not moving much. XRP, they are always on the same run. It's just like 1.8788. So it's just in between the range. It's just because like now the market is the holidays, of course, holidays matter. So at the end of the year, you guys have seen the previous history, if you guys can see. So it gives you like clear understanding, like so let me check. Okay, let me set up the time frame for you guys. I think, does it look good? Can you guys see it clearly? Yes, I think so. Okay, so here we go. We are just going to. Okay, I have just mentioned it somewhere around here. Okay, I just placed the screen at this mark, so that can give us a good control. So you guys will have a better understanding for that. Moreover, let me fix. Okay, for now, let's keep it at that way. Okay, so yes, we are about to witness what's going on in the market. So yes, let's talk about it. So the pair we were just performing the trades were HUSDT and Truth. So let's talk about them and what we are getting it. Okay, so that's my live account. I'm just going to perform the trade on live account. So I'm just setting up. So here you can click on this arrow. So you guys will have the option of setting up your. What's going on? Let me close the order book. The order book is just like. Where is the order book? Let me close the order book. Actually, interface setting. Yes, here it is. And yeah, that's right. Here it is. Here it is. Favorites. Let's close the favorites for now. So we will be edge mode, pre-order confirmation, track confirmation, notification, trading calculator. I don't want this one actually. How to... Okay, let's do this for now. Okay, so let's talk about the pair actually. Let me check the movement and yes. So see the movement of this coin actually for the 5 minute time. Let me edit this one for you guys. Line should be closed. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, and 1 hour. 4 hour. Let's remove this one in 1 hour. So that's a 1 hour time frame. You guys can see the movement of this one, and the movement is showing that there is a pullback from this mark at least. So we can open the long position from here, but for now I'm not opening any position. Let me set this up. Let's finish. What's going on? Edit. Oh, sorry. Yes, 5 minutes. Let's remove this and this one. Confirm. Okay, so what's the matter? Yeah, 1 minute time frame and 5 minutes. So we are doing the short-term scalping, so we are just setting up the time frame for to 1 minute. So and now we need to wait. Now we have to just see uh, um, what's that? Yes, okay. Oh no, that's the okay. So let me tell you guys one more thing. Here's the option you guys can see. That's the tab actually where you open or close your trade. So all you need to do is there is an option of limit order, market order, trigger, and more position, post only. So I always use like limit order or market order. What does market order means? Market order means the price at the position right now, the place at right. If I want to open or a long open or short some position, so open short, open long. So what I need to do is just to click on buy long or buy open short. So whatever I will click, the price will the order will be placed right away. So that's the market order. And the limit order is like you have to just manually put the price at some mark. You understand, like the price will go to that mark at some time after just reviewing the situation of the market. Then you can just put the limit. You can put the price manually. So when the price will come to that mark, the order will be placed. And that's the way you can use the percentage of your capital. So yeah, it will show you like how much capital you are using here. So let's say I'm using 6%, so it's like $12. Sorry, not. Uh, Yeah, so that's the way you can open and long your position, short, open, long or short your position. Moreover, yeah, there's an option where you can use your Let me set this up for you. It's why it's not showing here. Okay, so yeah, there's an option of cross and isolate. That's what I always talk about. If you are new to the crypto, I always suggest you guys to use uh, isolated mode. So isolated means you can protect your capital, the amount of the trade you open to use. So that's if trade goes wrong. So that's only that specific amount is will be gone if you don't use your stop losses. I strongly suggest you always just understand the market and always strongly recommend that close your trades every day. Moreover, let me check. Okay. So I always use cross mod, so that's the way if trade goes wrong. So okay, so today I think we should use isolated margin. So that's so you guys will witness like how does it works. So I'm going to use the cost value of confirm. Why it's showing the limit actually? It's not showing 28 USDT. How much credit do I have in my Okay, let me check my wallet. Balance is not displayed yet. Wait, guys, let me set up for you. Actually, I have just. Okay, so for now, let me set this up for you. Okay, I'm just going to set up my account. So that's the way we can. I can convert. Let me show. It's showing the balance, but I don't know what's going on. Okay. So we are getting a chance to open the long position, but let me check. Uh, okay, I just have unlocked it. Okay, right. And HUSDT, yes, let's put this one as well. So let's talk about truth. So yes, this one is just, oh, just no, it's not right time to open the long position for now at least. Okay, 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 okay. So total supply and maximum supply is already done. Circulating supply, no, there are Okay, okay, okay. Market cap and hmm. Okay, so there is a chance for this one to go up. So let me set up this. Okay. I'm just setting up. I have just logged on to my system. So yes. So that's the exchange that's linked with the uh, trading view. So that's the way it can uh, you can see the chart from the trading view as well. So it's just connected with that. So it's a real time uh, movement of that coin. Okay, so RSI value I always just mention like it should be 5. So RSI 5 gives us a very clear understanding like where it's going on. So that's the way you can understand the movement of that specific period of time. So for now, we just want to do the short-term scalping. Yes, we can open the short position from here, but for now, I'm not doing that because it's just above, it's just below 70. So yeah, it's not the right time to open the short position. But the momentum, if you see, the momentum is just going to shift. But this coin, if we do the back test somewhere around here, so this coin is moving very, very. There's a potential pushback at to some point, and let me edit. Sorry. Okay, so I'm just let me edit this one. So I want to see the let's forget the 1 hour and so let's see the 1 hour time frame. So if you guys see the 1 hour time frame, so the see the potential of the coin. The coin just falling down yesterday 2150 and today is it started falling from 23rd of December and it's just keep falling. See guys here. So let me move this one under. Uh, okay, so here we go. Something is wrong with my screen. I have just wait guys. Okay, so let me move my screen to some. What's going on? Why it's stuck? Hmm. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, so the price is now visible on the better way, and we will see the RSI as well on the screen. Moreover, okay, so that's what I'm talking about. So this coin is just falling down from last 2 days. Yeah, so you see December, uh, and the time is showing in the on the bottom. So it's just falling down, 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 and just steady, just uh, got steady at this mark and try to push back, and but still just falling down. If we do the back test in the long run, it can fall down a little bit more, but this one is already on the you see guys on the mm, all-time lower side already. So that's already on the lower side, 0.0086. So that's a lower side already. I think yes, we have a great chance for this one to open the long position, but I just all we need to do is just wait. As yesterday, we just got into the position right away, and then the trade went wrong. So now I'm using my live account, so I just want you guys to understand the situation of this coin. Okay, meanwhile, it's not in the right market right now. I just want to grab the opportunity if the RSI, this RSI should be below 20. Um, so the moment is potentially bullish, but without confirmation, we are not opening any trade. Meanwhile, let's see. Okay, on the other hand, let's see the situation of this one. What's going on? It's just got stuck. Yeah. Okay. So this one, this coin, if you see the movement of this coin I am just setting up this on the 1 hour time frame. So see the 1 hour time frame, it's just moving very, 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 very steadily. Uh, and yeah, there is a potential chance for this one to go up. But for now, if we do the back test, let's do the back test for now. That's the 1 day time frame. So see that this coin is already very volatile coin. So I always suggest you guys to just avoid such coins. But sorry, the screen was not actually clear, but I'm not sure it's clear now. Okay, I think it's bearable. So see the moment. Uh, there are chances. This is the 1 day type 1 day candle. So 1 day candle means this was the moment today, and today is open and close. Today's highest price was 0.168, and the lowest is 0.154. So it's now uh, on 0.61. So yes, 0.868. No, sorry, 0. Open and close. So it's on the lower side of today's position. So I think we can open the long position for the short period of time. Yeah, as we were just looking at it and it's just starting moving up. No worries. Uh, let's let's try to get the trade. Okay. So yes. Okay. It's showing on. Mm, what the? Okay, for now, yes, the volume is just down. I don't want to see the volume. Let's see the volume of this. So if you want to always just see the volume, so the volume should be seen in like 15-minute time frame. So or 1 hour time frame, that could give you a clear understanding. So volume is not that much high, but all we need to do is to just hide it for now, and let's see if we can open. Okay, so I'm going to open with the market position using 10x. So that's the way you can protect yourself. So just use 10x of your margin. Try to grab small profits instead of running after the big profits. So that's what I always suggest to people. Please be safe. Don't rush for the trade. Wait, relax, see if the moment is in your favor. That's the way. If I could have take the long position from here, that must be on the wrong side. Yes, it's potentially showing like it can go up a little bit, but I strongly recommend that you guys to just wait and see the confirmation for now. Yes, that's our month's style. Mm-hmm. Okay, opacity. I'm just increasing the opacity. Opacity was not cleared, so okay. So now you will have a clear understanding of if we can open the short position from that mark following by the RSI, then that was a good chance. But now we will open the long position from, I must say it should be these are the uh, parameters and the marks, so we can see like where we can open the long position. So we will wait somewhere between below 30, yeah. But there are chances for this one to go a little bit up, but I'm not sure yet. So let's be sure first. Meanwhile, let's see another pair. If it's not, it doesn't look good, so let's talk about another one. Sorry, my system is just not giving me good response today. I just click. Okay. So what was the other point? We were just having fun with that actually. So yes, we are just going to see the wet, the position of wet. What's going on with the wet? Yes, so wet is also in the favor of opening the long position from here. Um, let's see the 5 minute time frame. Yeah, it's just falling down again. Yeah, it's already on the no. There are chances for this one to go a little bit more down. But we're not just drawing the lines, we're just understanding the position. So what do you think, guys? Should I open the long position from here? But the market trend is showing the potential for this one to go. Yes, it can go a little bit up. So I'm just going to open the long position. RSI should be below, just somewhere around. Yeah, it went to like my below 10. So the volume is just going away. 5.95, it's all time. So 24-hour high was 20.23 and low is 2062. It's on the lower side already. That was the lowest point today. But what can we say from here? If this will fall down, then it can go up way more down. So I think we should wait. So here is the resistance at this mark. Let me draw on the 5 minutes time frame. So yeah, there is a resistance at this mark. So if this one crosses this line, so yeah, there is a chance for this one to fall down. So then we can open the short position, but for the very short period of time. And then if it pushes back, then it can go up. Let's see where does it takes us. Okay. So yes, yes, it's just falling down, and it's trying to break the support. Yeah, this is the support. It's trying to break this support. It came to this mark like twice and three times. Yes. So it's trying to break it, and but it's not getting it. And facing the resistance support from here. So that means it can go up maybe. And if there is a resistance on the top of it, where should be the resistance? Yeah, here is the resistance. First resistance on this mark, and the second one is of course on the top of it. No, I'm not going to open the long position from here. I just want to wait for few period of time. Meanwhile, let's see the other one. H if it's giving us an opportunity. Yes, we can open the long position because it's just moving in the state, but mm, here is the support for now. This is the support you guys can see, the previous mark and the next mark, and the next support and the resistance. Let me draw the resistance for the first resistance. So here is the resistance, first resistance, and here is the second resistance. Let me draw the second resistance. Yes, here is the second resistance. And let's see. If it comes back to this position and just pulls back to some mark, that means there is a chance for this one to go a little bit up. Um, and but if it faces the resistance just like that, so that means it's just falling down. So maybe let's see. Yeah, Aditya, thank you so much for your message. Market performance after next week, when the holiday will be over, there are chances for the market to get a little bit bump, because if you guys can see the the volume of the market, it's just decreasing from last 15 days. Because at the end of the year, it always happens like people just go on holidays and just try to avoid doing trading and just take the money back and just stay away from the market sometimes. So that's the way, yeah, it works with that. But my understanding, it's my understanding, always do your own research. My understanding says like the market will definitely get a little bit pump at some mark. So, but if something big happens, then what can we do? If some big news are in the market and some big pushes, and so yeah, there are there are a lot of things. So I think let me move this one to here so I don't miss it. Okay, all right. So let's talk about this pair. I just want to take the long position because I have seen the momentum of this coin. There is a chance for this one to go a little bit up from this position. Definitely it will touch to this mark and today. But I all I want is to just see the RSI below 30 somewhere around. Yeah. So I will use 10x cross open with my 1% of my portfolio. So it's showing 15% because it's not allowing me to just use all of my portfolio. So I will open the trade with $300. Let's say $300. Okay. Okay, so I will use, let's say, $300. Uh, and I just want to use the isolated mode. So if my trade goes wrong, so only my that amount can be gone, and I will be at least in safe hands at least for now. So I'm going to use $200 with 10x leverage from the market, and let's see where does it goes. Okay, I'm just going to open the position. Don't show this again. Using my $270 margin, and let it sound. Okay, so let's see how much profit can we make from this trade. I can put my TP. Oh no, it's very small amount. So the increase would be like just 1% of my portfolio total assets. So it's fine, totally fine. So let's see where does it goes. Isolated with the 10x margin. If trade goes wrong somewhere down there, so then that's the way I can just open the. Okay, let's move this to somewhere on here. I have placed my TP at $20 positive. So just making to $20 on top of $200. Yeah, that's 10% of the trade value of the margin value. So that's good enough. I think I should have to use a bigger leverage for now. But let's see. And what's going on? Okay. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. There's a link in description in the bio, so you guys just click on that and join my community. So it's a great chance. We are just building the community, and yeah, that's the way we can talk, we can discuss, we can make some profit all together. Uh, what just happened there? Sorry, I just clicked on that. Yes. So here is my position for now. We should put a stop loss to at least this one. So let's see. Stop loss should be down there, but okay, let's see if it goes right or wrong. Potentially, it has potential to go a little bit up, but it's just moving sideways for now, and we will see. Okay, moreover, let me set up thing here. Okay, and yes, let's see. I am just trying to, because the movement is, if you guys see, the movement is very steady. So yeah, it's there are risks at this mark. Yeah, the overall the market is just falling down because of course holidays and the year end always. So let's see where we can grab a chance. Okay, and yes, we hello. Yes, we are going to. So our trade, if you see the movement of this coin, actually is just moving sideways. So yes, potentially there are chances of overall it can go anywhere. We cannot decide it yet. So yeah, it happens sometime. It's just moving sideways, maybe, but let's see where does it takes us. Okay, more. Mhm. Okay, so for now, I think what's going on for now? The market is moving in very. Let me check. Is it stuck somewhere? Yes. Sorry, system got stuck. And see the potential movement. Actually, the movement is just very steady for now. I think for now, yes, we can have and see the movement. It's just gearing up. Okay. And yes, we are. Um, and yes, the market movement is going crazy. We are just moving in the sidewise potentially, but I don't know what's going on. And yes, it's just in the moment right now, the position where it's I think we should I'm not gaining something big in this trade, so I just want to close the trade at now, at this mark now. And the maximum the position I'm just offering is just like $2,000 I can open the trade with. So I don't know. With 10x leverage using the isolated margin. Okay, let me check. Uh, I think move myself to, and let's move the market up here. Okay, so here we have, okay, so now we can see the RSI in the better way. And the price is just moving very steadily. I don't feel good about it now. So let's see where does it goes, if it goes right or wrong, maybe. The price movement is very like, mm-hmm. All I want is just to see if we can close the position. Actually, I just want to close it for now. I want to just okay, let's do the DCA and increase our position size if it comes down. So I just want to increase the position size, so that's the way we can just generate more money. This is my live. This is my live. Okay. Okay, so this is my live account. I'm performing the trade on and let's see what we get. So yes, let's see. So what's going on? What's going on with that? And we are in the trade now. Let's see. I will do the DCA. Actually, I want to just increase my position size. My position size is very small, so it's not giving me a good profit. Or I should have to open with the 20x leverage. So the 20x would have give me a good. Okay, let me check. Sorry. So so you guys have seen the movement. The movement is just moving sidewise. I have just entered the trade and the movement is just steady at some mark. So it happens sometime. Meanwhile, let's see another pair. Uh, we were just talking about truth. Yeah, truth was already on the lower side. Oh yes, we just that's the way. That's what's the point we were just discussing about, that it has potential to go a little bit up, but I didn't knew that it will go way more up. So yes, it's moving towards on the higher side. We can open the long position from here, following by the trend, because if you see these empty wicks are clear indication that the price is going up. So I just want to open the long position using my $100. So let's see. I have opened the position, and what do we get from this position? So see, we are open in two positions now, and liquidity price is very far away, still using the isolated. Hmm. No, not much far actually. Okay, so all we need to do is to just put our TP mark at least somewhere around. So that's my live account. I'm performing that trade on live account, and let's see. And just putting my stop loss to 30. Let's do it on $30 at least. $10. A little bit if you off the there. Moreover, let's remove now it's on the low, they fall down. So on the all-time low, near to that mark. So maybe on something is wrong with that. Okay. Okay, do and let's see with let's see with just something for you something for you can put you can put but for you just use it but for you just use it more what is the risk more to